The other day I posted a video on how to make a very easy beginner-friendly zipper pouch. A lot of you had questions about Zipper by the Yard, so I'm here to just demystify everybody on Zipper by the Yard and how to load the zipper pulls. First of all, Zipper by the Yard. I bought this bag on Amazon. You can click on the link in my bio and find this in my Amazon store. It is 100% worth it. It comes with 60 yards of Zipper by the Yard in 24 different colors, and it comes with like a million different zipper pulls. You'll never run out of these. Now let's talk about how to load the zipper pull onto the zipper tape. Let's say that your pattern calls for a 10-inch piece of zipper tape. Cut it at about 10¼ inches. Add a little bit of space onto that zipper tape because you're gonna need it to even things out once you get the zipper pull on. I'm gonna use a different color zipper pull so you can see what I'm doing. They make tools that you can get on Amazon. I'll load one into my store on how to easily like load it onto the zipper. But if you don't have one of those, separate your zipper pieces, take your zipper pull, and you're gonna slide the teeth into one side until you can see it coming out the bottom. Take the other piece and slide that in. Now here's where everybody gets tripped up. It's very hard to get these even. It's okay if you don't. Push it in as best you can, and then just put your fingers right here and hold it tight and just start to slide that zipper pull on. Now it just so happens that this one matched up really well, but let's say it didn't. Let's try it again, and I'm going to mess it up on purpose. Slide it in, you start to push on it. See how it's a little uneven there? That's what that extra 1/4 inch is for. So you got a little bubbling, that's okay. Push it to the top till it opens up again. Your bubble will disappear. Just don't knock it off the end. Trim it to be exactly the length that you need. Easy peasy. Like and follow for more.